No, I am very unholy. I have been born in a Muslim family. If I go there and Kashi Mishra Bhavan is very Brahmin, is a great Brahmin, his servitors are all holy, they will have touch with me. He did not go to Kashi Mishra Bhavan. He did not go enter into Jagannath temple. But he will not come. He has got no right to enter. But there is no obstruction for him. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went there and embraced him. You come. Please give me some place outside this Kashi Mishra. That is called Siddha Bhog. And even our Gurudev Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, our original Guru is Rupa Goswami. Our Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they keep their identity as under him, under Rupanuga. They are all Rupanuga. But Rupa Goswami, he was one of the officers, some say finance minister, and Sanatana Goswami, the prime minister of Hussain Shah Badshah. Being Brahmin, he worked under a Muslim, so we cannot be, we are less than Muslim. We have got no right to enter into Jagannath temple, to go to the house of Kashi Mishra Bhavan. So humbleness. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had to go to Siddha Bhogul to meet them. Sometimes he was seeing Rupa Goswami, sometimes Sanatana Goswami, sometimes Haridas Thakur. This fact also there. And another thing very important, he has reminded us, Satyam Vishuddham Vasudeva Sabdidam. Jadiyate tatra puvana bhavita satya savan bhagavan vasudeva jadaksame manasa vidiyate namasa vidiyate. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu introduced this Gundicha Manjar. Previously there was no Gundicha Manjar. One day earlier than Ratha Yatra, and Indradyumna Maharaj was very much anxious to get the service of Jagannath. Very much anxious. With perturbation of heart, extreme perturbation, he was praying. Then Jagannath Dev ordered him, you should do Chandan Yatra from Akshaya Tritiya for 21 days to cool my body, like that. You know the Leela. And that Chandan Sarovar was excavated by Indradyumna Maharaj. Indradyumna Sarovar. He was glad and fixed the time from Akshaya Tritiya for 21 days. And in whole India, everywhere they will perform Chandan Yatra on the same date. We have got also one Jagannath temple there in Agartala. There also we perform. Chandan Yatra was not performed there. Only Jagannath is there. And Jagadish Pandit always remains in Jagannath, in Vrindavan Dham. There is no need of Ratha Yatra. Here is Ratha Yatra because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is seeing Jagannath temple as Kurukshetra, as you have heard. All the elephants and all the forces are there. And he was dragging the chariot from Kurukshetra towards Vrindavan. Already you have heard. He has minutely explained this. The priests of the Jagannath temple, their story is something different. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu introduced this. As for example, from Akshaya Tritiya for 21 days Chandan Yatra, he performed. In detail I do not want to say. And after that, again he was very much anxious. Give me some service. Then in Jyeshtha Purnima, Purnima you know? Full moon. Jyeshtha Purnima, it is my advent. Shambhu Manu's devotion. I appeared on that day. I am ordering you to bathe me on that day.